My name is Lupita. I am 30 years old and I think the hijab is very beautiful.
Hijab to me is an honor.
Wearing the hijab, it gives me a sense of unity and belonging where I can't find it else.
I'm Kira and I started wearing the hijab because who we are on the inside is really what makes the difference.
I am the mother of Kira. When she first came to me and told me that she wanted to wear her hijab, I was proud of her.
And I use it as something to recognize myself as who I am, a believer, a woman protecting her modesty.
Now that I wear the hijab, I think it has boosted my self-esteem, my confidence so much more.
I regard that as a privilege. It identifies me as a Muslim and that's important to me.
My hijab has empowered me and made me a more confident person.
I've seen so many people always be so self-conscious about their hair, about their face, or how they looked. And I decided that I wanted to run away from that.
It's a personal choice and it's how you feel. Me personally, I'm proud to wear my hijab. It really, truly is, like I said, it's just a part of me now.
It was her own personal choice. There was no pressure for her to have to choose that. But for her, that's what made her feel confident and ready to take on the world. And I can't argue with that.